For number 8, now that we have underlined directly proportional and circled here in front what the y would be, and then behind proportional what the x would be, we can label our table. So shots on goal would be x, shots on goal, and the y would be what the soccer team scored. Now it says that the soccer team scored 5 goals, so soccer team scored 5 goals after 25 shots on goal. 25 shots on goal. Then it says, how many shots on goal, I don't know, should the team take to score 2 goals? The team is going to score 2 goals. Okay, cross multiply. That gives me 50. And then divide by 5, and that gives me 10. I now have my answer. Remember, this is how we worked all of those direct variation word problems. Moving on to question number 9. This is easy. It wants to know what the equation of the line would be if it was parallel and if it was perpendicular to this line and passes through this point. So, very simple. I have divided my space into 2 sections so that I can report out what happens when it's parallel and what happens when it's perpendicular. The first thing we need to do is first draw y equals 6. That's a horizontal line passing through 6. Very simple. Now, if I want to be parallel to this line that passes through this point, that means I just draw a parallel line. There we go. Through the point, -3, 5. Oh, so what is that line? That line would be y equals 5. So I took y equals 5. The y value was 5. Now, I want a line perpendicular to that same equation. So, y equals 6, start there. Let's draw that over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's y equals 6. Now, -3, 5 is here. So to be perpendicular to this line, it has to be a vertical line. And it goes through that point. So what point, what point did I go through? -3, 5. And what is that line? That is x equals -3. There we have it. So I just chose the x value. Good job. Let's move on. Number 10. Of course you will read this problem, but to save time, I'm going to spot read and move forward. I have 4 pounds per week. That is the slope. 4 pounds per week. That's M. And 5 weeks, the weight is up. 101 pounds. That's a point. This is your y, this is your x. Y per x. So write this equation in point-slope form. Very simple. Y minus y, 101, equals 4 times x minus 5. And you're done.